Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with me ABM Farhan, and today I will be reviewing the Royal Kludge RK61 mechanical keyboard. Now this is a keyboard with a 50% layout and it does come at a pretty cheap price. So yeah, let's see how good it performs. So mine comes with a Gator blue switches. You can get yours with reds, browns, blacks, etc. You can also get it with the Gator milky yellow. Now this is made up of primarily plastic, however the build is pretty premium and I haven't noticed any kind of creaks or flakes whatsoever. Now this is pretty hefty and I think that heftiness does provide a bit into the premium feeling. The plastic used here is a PBT one, so I can't say for sure, but I think this can get yellow over time, but as of right now it looks plenty good and I haven't seen any kind of marks or any kind of yellowing whatsoever. These blue Gator switches does provide a great feel, and the actuation force upon which the key actuates does provide a physical feedback, so it's pretty tactile, and the sound, as you have heard in the intro, is great. And I myself dig into the clicky noise, so I went with the Gator blues. Now if you want, you can get the linear red switches or just the tactile brown. The mechanical keyboards are vastly subjective and it depends on your preference of switches. Now talking about the connectivity, these just connect over a wire as well as Bluetooth, and one thing that I found great about this board is the fact that it uses USB-C. No other boards at this price point uses C and uses micro B. That means that those are not universal. This however uses a USB-C, which is the universal standard, thus you can use it with any custom coils or wires. Talking about the RGB, it has tons of RGB effects, as this is like per key RGB. That means each individual key has its own LED light. Now that we're done with connectivity, feel and the build, let's talk about the pricing. So this costs around 3,700 taka, and for that price this is one heck of a deal. You can always customize the keycaps and the wires later on, and the totally white clean aesthetic that comes by default from factory does also look really nice. It has great RGB, great connectivity and great build. So what more could you ask at this price point? If you are looking for a great mechanical keyboard at such a low budget, then definitely give the Royal Kludge RK61 a look. So that has been it for today guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe and leave a like down below, and that's me signing off. See you in the next one.